There are two methods to purifying water for window cleaning: reverse osmosis and deionizing. Now both of these methods strip away minerals from the water, leaving it pure. So let's have a look at both methods to see which will work better for you. Reverse osmosis applies high pressure to water, pushing it through a semi-permeable membrane. Much like a coffee filter, the membrane catches and removes most of the mineral content, meaning the water on the other side is considerably cleaner. Now, reverse osmosis, it usually removes about 85 to 95% of the minerals within the water. So you still require the deionizing vessel. And then this removes the final 5 to 15% to completely purify the water. Now this method is used if you have hard water, but it can be quite expensive to buy. A DI vessel is a pressured canister that contains a deionizing resin that, put simply, brings the water from your tap to 100% pure. In soft water areas, this is the preferred filtration option, and it's a lot cheaper and easier to set up. So what you need to ask now is, what setup do you need? The first thing to find out is the purity of your tap water. Now a TDS meter can be used to determine in parts per million, or ppm, if the water in your area is hard, soft, or somewhere in between. See, in the UK there are huge differences. Soft water can range anywhere from 30 to 100 ppm, and hard water from 350 to 500 ppm. Now if your water is no higher than 100 ppm, then I'd recommend using the DI method. However, if your water goes higher than 100 ppm, it will start costing you a lot of money because you'll be replacing resin as you'll burn through it very quickly. If this is the case, then a full RO system would be more practical and it will save you money in the long run. I hope you found this video helpful, and best of luck with your window cleaning.